Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are your feet looking for some extra loving care at the end of the season? Check out this awesome set. This is from Foot Care Products, and my feet are absolutely in heaven thanks to using this awesome set. This is a set that I can completely use at home, and I have everything that I need to be ready for spring. It comes with my very own foot file. It comes with some nice, awesome Epsom salts that I can soak my feet in. They feel so good and refreshed after just going through this nice, awesome, beautiful smelling salt. The kit also includes a callus remover as well as the perfect foot cream to end all of this experience. While I'm getting it ready, I have everything else already prepared so that I can use the callus remover. Now you do need to use gloves while using this because trust me when I say that this really takes care of all of your calluses. My feet have not been this soft feeling and look this good since I had my last pedicure at a salon. I love that I can do this at home. It's really quick. It's the perfect thing that I love to do at the end of the week so that I feel like I'm getting my own pampering time without having to leave the house and without that extra cost. One thing that really caught my eye as soon as I started using this was their very own slogan, "Don't neglect your feet, they carry you through your life." Well, you don't have to feel like you have embarrassing feet. You don't have to feel like you have tired feet if you go with this awesome kit. It really will give you the perfect at-home spa experience, leaving your feet ready and refreshed for any season. And that's just my point of view.